Okay, I'm going to be using this foam that came with my POWRYTE pressure washer, so I can apply the pre-cleaner to my driveway prior to pressure washing. To put this on, you just simply push down on this connection here. And there's a couple of grooves on the bottle here. You just line it up with the slots inside the wand, press down and turn, quarter of a turn, and then you have your foamer attached. Then you just simply unscrew that one time. There's a little slot there. Fill this up with your concrete cleaner and then apply that. Allow it to set for a few minutes and then you're ready to go. Then when you're through, you can just press it down and remove this. Then you can place the sprayer wand back on just with a simple press and twist. Okay, then you're ready to go. Then on the back, you got a place to where you can store the bottle.